Let's take a look at careers today. We may define a career as an occupational position a person holds over the years. Career management is the process for enabling employees to better understand and develop their career skills and interests and to use them most effectively both within the company and after they leave. Career development is the lifelong series of activities, such as workshops, that contribute to a person's career exploration, establishment, success, and fulfillment. Career planning is the deliberative process through which someone becomes aware of personal skills, interests, or motivations, acquires information about opportunities and choices, identifies career related goals, and establishes an action plan. People once viewed careers as a sort of upward stairway from job to job, more often than not with one or more firms. Today, many people do still move up, but many find themselves having to reinvent themselves. Careers today differ in ways from a few years ago. With many more women pursuing professional and managerial careers, families must balance the challenges associated with dual career pressures. What people want from their careers is changing too. Baby boomers, those retiring in the next few years, tended to be job and employer focused. People entering the job market now often covet opportunities for more balanced work lives.